Hello friends, today's video is all about the top cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024.
Here is top 4 cryptocurrency under $1 to buy in 2024. Before we start video, kindly like our video and do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to tell us into the comment section. At the number 1 cryptocurrency to invest in 2024 is Solidus AiTech. Solidus AiTech provides powerful computing network for organizations working on complex AI projects. They offer governmental authorities, corporation, SMEs, professional and Metaverse project access to exceptional computing resources. AI tech infrastructure is designed to meet the diverse needs of the Metaverse. Their program creates a peer-to-peer network among computers, enabling application administration and user to access computing resources from others. These tools empower users to accomplish tasks that demand different level of computing time and capacity. Number 2 is a Pyth Network. Pyth Network functions as a leading primary author network that is swiftly growing. It specializes in delivering real-time market data to decentralized functional applications, the common known as dApps, across over 40 blockchain platforms. Number 3, Gala Games. Gala Games serve as a blockchain gaming platform where users can engage in playing, staking, and trading assist while competing with fellow participants. Employing blockchain technology for network security, the platform provides decentralized video games, enabling players to enjoy themselves while earning rewards such as NFT prizes. Number 4 is Myro, the dog owned by Raj Gokal, one of the Solana's co-founders, inspires this project, honoring both him and his dog. This token gained huge interest after meeting the demand for dog-themed narratives in the crypto space and trading coins like Solana. Investing in the right crypto tokens early can be a strategic move that offers significant potential for growth and return. Early investment in crypto at low price will allow you to capitalize on emerging technology and projects with promising fundamentals coming in the 2024 bull market. Don't forget to like our video, to subscribe our channel